7688 on Navigator of the Seas, the back right corner. So you walk in, and the first thing you have is the closet on your left, the bathroom on your right. So in the closet, you've got hangers, a bunch of shelves, some life jackets. You turn on your right, and you have a bathroom, just the shower, pretty small, like on any cruise. Some towels, toilet, obviously, sink, garbage. It's great. Can you come out? And then on your right, you've got a couch that I do not think pulls out into a bed. It doesn't pull out into a bed. Then on your left, you've got coffee, everything. You get free cookies. You have your TV. And this cabinet is where the safe is. And this cabinet is where the mini fridge is. What's in there? Nothing. So you can put your own drinks in there. And then you've got two single beds. One here, one there. Or you can put them together to make it one queen bed. The phone, some cabinets, and then this pulls out into like a bunk bed type thing with a ladder. I don't know where the ladder is. I think it's in the closet. And then that. And then you come out here, you've got the big balcony, which is the best part of this room. If I can open this door. It's heavy. So come out, you've got a table with 2 chairs, another just comfy chair, 2 loungers, and then the back right of the boat. The back, yeah, back right corner, so it's the same over there. And then you've got this big window, which is good to look out of, too, because you can see all down the side of the boat. Not really up there. And it's great. Great cabin. Perfect for 3 at the most, probably. 3 at the most. And then, yeah, it's great for just sitting out because you get 2 loungers and it's big and it's the same price as a regular cabin. And that's the tour of 7688 on the back right of Navigator of the Seas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.